I have my coffee. And here we go. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a makeup look using the new Morphe and Jeffree Star Artistry palette. I am so excited about this palette. I'm sorry, that's like super reflective. I'm so excited about this palette because it's actually really pretty. It's much prettier in person than I feel like I've been seeing online. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. To save us some time, I've already primed my eyes, I did my brows, and I'm just gonna do my complexion off camera. So in this video, we're just going to be focusing solely on the eyes, just so that I'm not talking for a million years, because I also kind of want to talk about the palette itself and all that fun stuff. So let's get into it. So to start off, this is how the palette looks. This is the packaging. It's very reflective, as you could see, super reflective. On the back, it just has a cute picture of Jeffree. It just says, "Hi, how are ya?" A cute little bio, his signature, Morphe x Jeffree Star right there. And then of course the ingredients, eyeshadow and pressed pigment right here. So let's open her up. So you of course get the bubble wrap. Pull that up. This is what the packaging looks like, exactly like the box. So the packaging, I think it's actually really cute because it's kind of like, what is it, like a modern-esque kind of style, but it's also pink, of course, your classic Jeffree pink. I just really like it. And then you open it up. Does it have a mirror? Oh yes, it does have a mirror. Cute. And then it comes with a little slip. And this is what the package looks like, the palette looks like. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, I really don't know where to start. I'm not gonna swatch them on my arm because Jeffree already has a swatch video. Trend Mood has already all the swatches on her Instagram page, so I'm not gonna go ahead and swatch them. I do want to make a really quick disclaimer though on how I got the palette, because this was a comment in my last video about the Morphe 25L and how I got it before it even launched. I do work for Morphe. I work at one of their retail stores. The thing is, just like any makeup company that you work for, like MAC or Sephora, you do get gratis whenever there's a new launch. Especially, you usually get a gratis, and Morphe is so generous in giving their employees the gratis for pretty much almost any launch that comes out. Okay, so with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and start using the palette because it is, I mean, not that it's getting late, it's 9:46 a.m., but I actually have a date with my boyfriend, so I need to actually get ready. So for the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. Also, just a quick disclaimer with my eyes. It doesn't look that bad right now, but I've been having a reaction or something with my right eye. I don't know what was going on. It keeps watering, it won't stop, so I apologize for that. So to get into the palette, I do not know what I want to use. I will say, because I have been seeing this question all over the comments on Morphe's Instagram and Trend Mood's Instagram, is what is the quality like for the palette? Is it Jeffree Star quality or is it Morphe quality? And honestly, it's a little bit of both. I don't know if that makes sense. Morphe has really good quality, but the pigmentation and blendability is closest to Jeffree's formula for his shadows. So I think today, I don't want to go too crazy with my makeup. I'm just going to do a very soft eye, and then maybe we'll do a little bit of a pink and purple on the bottom just to kind of play with that. I do want to use this palette in another video, so stay tuned for that because I am going to be using this multiple times because there is so many looks you could do with this palette. Let me give these a little swatch because I don't know which one I want to start with. So I think I'm going to start with which is this kind of really soft baby pink right there. I'm going to pop her in my crease. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Jaclyn Hill JH31 brush. This is actually a really nice mirror. I'm just going to tap into it just so you guys can kind of see. There's a little bit of kickback, nothing too crazy. I'm just going to pop her in my crease. This is the color that I want to kind of blow out. So I'm taking it into my socket and then kind of blending it upward toward my brow bone and then a little bit past my eye toward the tail of my eyebrow, if that makes sense. Okay, so far, I mean, I know it's only one color, but so far so good. Also just want to mention really quick, you guys, just because I work for Morphe does not make me biased at all. This is a completely non-biased review. Okay, there are products from Morphe that I absolutely love and cannot live without, and there are products that I'm not so crazy about. So just like with any other brand or company or whatever, there's always hits and misses. And for now, this one is a total hit for me. So I'm going to jump into Back, which is the second one right there. It's a little bit more of a deeper pink, so I'm going to dip into her. I'm going to put it in the same areas where I had placed my. So channel is going to be this one right here. Da, da, da. Going in with her on a denser brush. I'm just going to kind of dip in, I'm going to dip into her and kind of focus her right on the outer portion of my lid here. I think I'm going to go ahead and take the shade 2, like so. This is 2 right here. Sorry, I've already just dug my finger in there, but it's this one here. And I'm just going to lightly tap her. And that's pretty. Lightly tap her on my lid here. I'm going to go back in with channel and just kind of blend that little line here. I do kind of want to darken this eye just a little bit, so I think I'm going to go in with Los Angeles, which is this kind of deeper, warmer tone right there. I'm going to focus this really close to my lash line right there. Oh yeah, this is going to make the look for me, I feel like. I'm going to go in with a flat packing brush. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to really quickly pop on some lashes, some complexion, and then we're going to finish off the lower lash line. Okay, you guys, so my face is on, my lashes are on, I popped on a lip, and I am loving this eye look. I think I'm going to do a little bit of this kind of warm color, which is Los Angeles, on my lower lash line, and then possibly deepen and define my waterline with this one called Mogul. Actually, you know what? I'm going to start with 1985 on a pencil brush. This is the E18 from Morphe. Hopefully my eyes do not water today because so far they are doing great. What I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to go in with that Los Angeles shade. I'm going to get a little bit closer to my mirror here. Probably not going to be a cute angle, and I'm just popping this on my lower lash line, and very light pressure. We're kind of blending it all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner there, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and take my flat definer brush, and I'm going to go in with Mogul, which is this purple right here. So what I like to do with this is I'll push it right up against my lashes. Oh, please hold. Okay, sorry, I was on the phone with my boyfriend while I did my lower lash line, but I actually kind of really like this. It looks super cool. I mean, in person, it looks a little different than it does on camera. In person, it looks much more blended. I don't know why on camera it looks like it's not really blended. I mean, I could just be tripping. I don't know. It's so weird. In person, it looks different than it does on camera. I don't know. Anyway, whatever. I'm freaking out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Wonder Pencil and just pop her in my waterline. I think for inner corner highlight, I'm going to do Designer Label, which is this one right here. It's such a pretty, like, champagne-y gold color. I'm just going to pop this on my inner tear duct area right here. Just very light. Ooh, that is pretty. This would be pretty for, like, a cheek highlight, too. I'm going to finish off the look with some lower lash mascara. Alright, you guys, so I guess this completes the look that we did. I actually really like it. Sorry, I'm bringing my mirror up. I'll just use this one. I'm very surprised with how it came out. I was not expecting to like it this much. I usually don't do like icy colors on the lid, but for some reason I'm really living for her right now. So the verdict, honestly, this palette is really pretty. I didn't use all of the colors, obviously. I do want to use this glittery one next, but just for the fun of it, let's do a quick little swatch. Ooh, it feels like a really nice pressed glitter. Wow, that is pretty. Ooh, okay. That's pretty. It's super reflective and nice. Okay, so that's going to be on our next video. Okay, so overall, with the colors that I did use in the palette, which were just kind of the soft colors, some of the pinks, the purples, I do really like it. I would definitely recommend the palette. Literally, it's only $35, which is amazing. It's actually cheaper than like the Jaclyn Hill palette or the James Charles palette. I think they did a really great job. The packaging feels so nice. I didn't get a lot of fallout. Pretty much I didn't get any fallout on my face, which I didn't even really pay attention to that. And there's a little bit of kickback in the palette here and there, but that was totally fine. That's pretty much it. So I really hope you guys like this palette, this tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. I will be filming more tutorials using the palette, like the greens, using that shimmer, all that fun stuff. So stay tuned for that and make sure you subscribe to my channel for that. If you have not already, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can see everything I'm doing outside of here on YouTube. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!